Well, you guessed it, it's an EP3 in for a map, and today we've got more than one to map. We've got this lovely black one, which has done some miles, but I'm sure it'll be absolutely hunky-dory when we're finished. And also we've got a red one to do, and we've just got an FN2 Civic out of the workshop, and we've got to get an MB aero deck off the dyno, and then this one's going to get loaded up, and we're going to start map-a-lapping. So here's the start of another video. Thanks for joining us. I'll just take this brief moment to ask you to like and subscribe and all that jazz if you feel like it. If this is the first video you've seen of Dynodaze, then we do a lot of this. We do a lot of mapping on EP3s, a lot of mapping of FN2s and Mitsubishi Colts, and anything Japanese hatch-like that's pretty nippy. That's what we do. So yeah, let's get cracking. So we've made it up onto the dyno, and Richard's busily readying to do an initial power run to see where we're at. Stock, we've actually got a Jap Speed 4-to-1 and I think a 2.5-inch exhaust and some form of induction kit, as you can see there. But that's it, mods wise. So let's get tuning. Let's see what it makes initially. Okay, Mr. Ellis, we made 213 brake horsepower on its initial power run.
It's alright for 211,570 miles.
Certainly is, my friend. In Honda we trust. Okay, so this EP3 is a loud one. So, dyno cell doors shut. Oh, it is loud. Hey man, that's done really, really well considering its high mileage. Just goes to show you how good Honda engines are, doesn't it?
Well, it's done alright.
Oh, I think it's done brilliantly.
It's done alright for the mods that it's got.
Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm saying. It's done 200. It's made 221 brake horsepower, which I think is fantastic for this car. Certainly dropped some bombs. Good job we had the door shut. They would have incinerated its owner. He was loving it.
Good.
Good. Good. Right, let's. I'll let you finish tapping that in, and then we'll have a chat. An EP3 in the bag, and this black one's done well. I think it's done well anyway. Richard's worked his magic as per usual, and yeah, quite a result. And it sounds absolutely immense, and makes me miss my EP3 if I'm honest. Big cannon flames out the back of it, you know, power, revs out. What more do you want? Honda's the way forward. K20 engines for the win. Obviously, I own a few K20 engines now in my cars, and I enjoy them. Richard, what would you like to say about this one, young man? Join me in the video of dreams.
In the video of dreams? I'm not sure it's a dream. Induction kit's a bit small.
Yeah. We're going to have to get that on a t-shirt for you.
Yeah, induction kit's too small. No, induction kit's only 2.5 inch by the look of it.
Mm-hmm.
They don't respond well to that. These engines, they love a good size induction kit, sort of 3 inch, 3.5 inch, so there's probably a little bit of power loss there. But sure, to be fair, you perhaps don't want to push on this car too much. It's done 211,000 miles, so it's, you know, I think it's done well for the mods that it's got. 220s I'm perfectly happy with. 225, 230, I'm sure he'd have been ecstatic.
Yeah, sure.
It's got a rip-roaring loud exhaust on it with a 41 manifold. You know, not the best induction kit, probably not the best exhaust, but yeah, I mean, from the point of view, it's made some power, and that's great.
Should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, go on then.
Let's have a look at the graph. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as it came in, blue line is as it leaves. Power made right across the rev range, and today we finish on 221 brake horsepower and nearly 190 at the wheels. And as you can see, there's a big chunk in the mid-range there, which is where you're going to be driving it, isn't it? And well, maybe not if you're a Honda boy, but yeah, it certainly made a considerable difference mapping today, and that's what we're all about: making a difference, making people smile, and we shall continue to do so. But thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. My favourite thing of this car of the day is obviously the steering wheel, which I think is amazing. And we'll see you on the next one. Hey, Rich. Hey, Rich.
What?
We'll see you on the next one, won't we, mate?
No, not too tell where the bolt is.
What bolt?
It kicked out the bottom of it.
Oh, I'll find it in a minute. See you then.